Hey guys, what is up? How's everyone doing today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. I do body painting, makeup, special effects sometimes, and it's been a bit since I uploaded a video here, but I'm really excited about today's video because I did probably the most complicated look that I've ever tried to do, and the reason is, and it's very exciting, but I got to try out an online special effects makeup course, so I actually learned how to do some things. As a lot of you know, I am self-taught, so I've never taken an online class, I've never taken a course on anything really, so I've been kind of just winging it this whole time, not really knowing how or what I'm doing. So when I got the opportunity to take a course on onlinemakeupacademy.com, I was really excited. I was like, okay, I'm actually gonna know what I'm doing maybe. So I'm gonna show you guys the look that I did. It's kind of crazy. Here's a little sneak peek, but not too much because I don't want to spoil it for you guys. I really like the idea of an online makeup course because you can literally be anywhere in the world and you can take this course. You can be working a full-time job like me, and you have unlimited time once you sign up to finish the course, and you actually have personal tutors who send you personalized videos and they're there for you every step of the way. It's really cool. It has everything broken down into little segments. You have little homework assignments where you upload your own photos, so you're kind of building your portfolio at the same time, which I really like. And you can even have these mentor support. Once you finish the class, you can still reach out to them and they will be there for you. Also get a pro discount once you finish. Plus, when you sign up for the course, you do get a kit that they send to you, and I think a lot of times when you take makeup classes in real life, you have to buy all your own stuff. You don't get a kit that's included, so I thought that was really awesome. They did send me a special effects kit that had a bunch of stuff in it that I have never even used or attempted to buy, and it was actually really great because now I can do a lot of cool special effects looks for you guys. Also, what I thought was really cool is that the whole course started out in the very beginning with a whole lesson on sanitation and cleanliness, especially with, COVID going on. I feel like that's really important. But it was cool to learn how the professional makeup artists in the professional makeup world keep everything hygienic and sanitized, and so I thought that was a really awesome lesson. I also finally learned how to apply a bald cap correctly. If you guys have been following me for a while, you see that I do use bald caps in a lot of looks, but I've kind of just been winging it this whole time. I just kind of slap that on, glue it down however, and then hope it works out. But if you saw it from the back, it would not be cool. So there was a whole section of lessons on how to apply a bald cap, how to slick down the hair, put the bald cap on, even how to remove it, which I thought was really awesome. So here I started off my look by putting on the bald cap that they sent. I actually learned how to cut out the ear slit using acetone and then put your ear through without ripping the bald cap, which I've done many times in the past, and bald caps are not cheap. The thing I was most excited about was the lesson on prosthetics because I have never actually used a real prosthetic on my face. I did make that crazy mouth for that Pennywise look that I did last October, but I made that out of modeling clay that you get for little kids, and it was so heavy. I stuck it on with so much latex, but then I had to tape it around my head because it was like pulling my eyelids down. So the fact that there is a whole lesson, actually a whole bunch of classes on how to use prosthetics, the different types of prosthetics, all the different ones, transfer, silicone, foam, latex, how to apply them correctly, what to use to apply them, and then a whole lesson on how to paint prosthetics with different types of paint and everything like that, which they sent to me in the kit. So that was just amazing. So here's the prosthetic that they sent me, and it was a zombie, so I decided obviously I'm going to do a zombie look. I've always been kind of intimidated by prosthetics and special effects in general, obviously because I'm self-taught, so I'm kind of just figuring it out as I go, but watching these classes and then trying it, I felt a lot more confident, and I think it turned out okay. I learned how to blend the edges and all that, so that was really cool. Then I decided to take what I learned in all the courses and kind of go a little further with it, so I decided to use latex and cotton balls to make a three-dimensional brain. I was really excited when I got this idea. I was like, okay, that seems kind of hard, but I'm gonna try it out. It took a while, but if you're just patient with it, you could probably do it too. It's just sticking on the latex, then putting the cotton balls on top, then smoothing it out with more latex. use a blow dryer if you don't want to wait for it to dry. I just kind of waited. Next came the fun part, which was painting the prosthetic and painting everything, which they did have a class on as well, and that was really fun to watch. So I really just took my time and layered up the colors and blended out different zombie skin tones. I put some bruising on there. So before I finished off the look, I obviously had to cover it with blood, which was the most fun part. I used the coagulated blood for the brain and just slapped that all over. I used the squirt blood and stage blood to kind of spray it on the face. There was a whole lesson on brushes as well and how you can cut a brush and use it to stipple different textures and spray the blood on yourself. I'm just so grateful for this opportunity to learn, and I think you guys could definitely do it. The course is worth it 100%. I wouldn't tell you guys about it if it wasn't. Oh, also, I don't know how I almost forgot, but link down below is the code for you guys to use. You can get $100 off the course, so that was really cool of them to give me that for you guys. So I just want to say thanks again to Online Makeup Academy for giving me this opportunity to try out the course. This was just the special effects makeup course, so they have other ones for beauty makeup and a bunch of different things. And here is the final look. I hope you guys like it. It was like the craziest thing I've ever attempted. I think for sure I'm going to be doing a lot more complicated, crazy looks for you guys now that I feel a little more confident with my skills. So make sure you check that code down below if you want to sign up. Don't forget, because you get $100 off. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe. I'm going to be posting a bunch of videos here for 31 days of Flutie Wing. You guys know it gets crazy. Hit that like button if you want to. And yeah, I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.